If you're an AI fan, you won't believe this. An AI painting just sold for a cool $1 million. Welcome to AI News, where we keep our eyes on everything AI. At an online auction, an AI robot's painting of renowned British computer scientist and codebreaker Alan Turing, estimated to fetch $150,000, has sold for just over $1 million. Turing, a mathematician, is regarded as the father of artificial intelligence and a pioneer in computer science. The scientist's assistance in cracking codes and deciphering the notorious Enigma system at Bletchley Park was essential in the Allies' triumph over World War II Germany. After the war, Turing went on to create a comprehensive design for a contemporary digital computer. Unfortunately, Turing took his own life in 1954 after being convicted under homophobic Victorian-era laws and subjected to chemical castration. The painting, titled AI God Portrait of Alan Turing, was created by Ida, a humanoid robot artist with a black bob and robotic arms, named after 19th century mathematician and writer Ada Lovelace, which communicates using large language models and was invented by British gallerist Aidan Mellor. Aidan Mellor, an engineer and gallery owner, came up with the project's concept in 2019 while working with Engineered Arts, a Cornish robotics firm in Cornwall, England. The drawing intelligence was developed by artificial intelligence researchers at the University of Oxford, while its drawing arm was made by some engineers from Leeds. The piece itself is an original, large-scale portrait of Turing, who attended Cambridge's King's College, which launches a new frontier in the global art market, establishing the auction benchmark for an artwork by a humanoid robot, according to the auction house. Additionally, it stated that Ada Robot is the first humanoid robot artist to have an artwork sold at an auction. Ada consults with its designers about the subjects it wants to paint before beginning any artwork. In this instance, we had a discussion with her about artificial intelligence for good, which led to Ada bringing up Alan Turing as a key person in the history of artificial intelligence that she wanted to paint, said Mellor in a statement. Ada utilized cameras in its eyes to view a photograph of Turing and produced early sketches of him after responding to queries regarding the painting's style, content, tone and texture. Then, depending on how the algorithm reads the image, it painted 15 distinct paintings of different aspects of Turing's face. The robot was asked how to put them together after completing each one in about 6 to 8 hours. 3 were ultimately selected, along with a background painting of Turing's bomber machine, the name of the code-breaking apparatus he constructed. A 3D textured printer is used to print the finished artwork onto a larger canvas because Ada's arm can only paint on a tiny 11.7 by 16.5 inch square canvas. There is no change to the underlying image in this process. The way in which Ada paints has changed since it was first created, Mellor said, as the agency it has is creeping up, and its technology is constantly updated to remain at the cutting edge. The first piece of art created by a humanoid robot artist sold for a price marks a moment in the history of modern and contemporary art and reflects the growing intersection between artificial intelligence technology and the global art market, according to the auction house. According to Ada Robot, which speaks using a sophisticated AI language model, the key value of my work is its capacity to serve as a catalyst for dialogue about emerging technologies. AI God. A portrait of pioneer Alan Turing invites viewers to reflect on the godlike nature of AI and computing while considering the ethical and societal implications of these advancements, according to the robot. Turing foresaw the development of computers and artificial intelligence 8 decades ago, and Mellor thinks that Ada and its artwork can serve as a kind of mirror to where we're going. We're going into a post-human world where decision-making is not human, it's increasingly algorithmic because we've seen it's reliable. Ada's artwork is really showing you the potential future of where we could go, he added. This auction is an important moment for the visual arts, where Ada's artwork brings focus on art world and societal changes as we grapple with the rising age of AI, stated Aidan Mellor, director of the Ada Robot Studios. The artwork AI God challenges the notion of agency as AI becomes increasingly more powerful. Finally, the piece was sold to an anonymous buyer who purchased the artwork for a price far outstripping the artwork's estimated price during the online sale.